In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find your account number on FxPro. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to find your account number on FxPro is quite simple. Just go ahead and log into your FxPro account. Once you're logged into your account, head over to the account you wish to find. You can either find account number for your real account or demo account. It is still possible. So for instance, I have this account here and I'd like to find the account number. To find the account number, go ahead and just click on this and then go to account info, and this will go ahead and open details about your account. As you can see, here is the account number, and you'll realize that this account number is just the same as the number here. So if you want to find the account number, you can simply just take this number that begins with hashtag. The same applies to demo accounts. You can see account number under each account that is available, and you'll also be able to find the information by just clicking on each summary, and you should be able to see account number which is just similar to the number next to it. So that's how you can find account number on FxPro. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.